We expect from the Europeans, they have to have at least their own role and their own stand and their own plans to have at least stop the suffering of the, even only to stop the suffering of the civilians, which I'm now here to cry on behalf of them. Mm-hmm. And for this, we came back again, and I think if there is a life, if I stayed alive, this is not the only time I come to Slovenia to cry on my friends, to cry on the Europeans to have some role for us. For this, I'm here, and I'm very much encouraged by the position until today Slovenians do, even if they feel that it is very minor, but it is very, very essential for us in the front of this protecting the civilians. Mm-hmm. Those cameras and those visits happened from Tom Krishna and his colleague. Mm-hmm. Kelemen. They gave us very, very encouraging feeling that Slovenians will do something for us. And I think I told also everyone I found here that the bombardment of the government is targeting the collections of the civilians, like water places, like markets, village, like this. So these are because of the instruments and the technology we don't have. We have only limited water places. So if we can have any instrument that can just dig several water places, we can, in place of collecting the whole area in one area, we can scatter them in 10 or 4 or more than 10 areas, where the target will not be effective if they bombarded only one mm-hmm. from 9. Mm-hmm. As if they are bombarding 10 out of 10, and we scatter the people in 9 other mm-hmm. places, and they spotted one and they bombarded it. That will not get the effect of this collected people. This is why I'm here, and I hope my friends will lead Europe to some kind of at least to take the role of saving the civilians, protecting the civilians, not that which is now they are donating money for a force.
For the UN force.
UN AU force,
yeah.
Which is for us meaningless. They are just there. We asked them to come and witness Gidi where was bombarded in the night, killing a good number of livestock and 8 people. They said we are not permitted from the government of Sudan. So if you are in need of the permission of the government of Sudan, why you are here? Because the man who did the bad will not give you the permission to witness against him. So that is some kind of waste of money and waste of time and some kind of just stay until we come to, with another idea. If it's not changed, we don't feel that these are doing something for us. Mm-hmm. Thank you.